Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A quick and easy beef salad is on our menu today. Alright, and here's what you need to make that beef salad. 6 ingredients, 6, that's all. Lettuce, roast beef, American cheese, tomatoes, red onions, and French dressing. Y'all know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it, so hey, let's get to it. Before you assemble this salad, you want to get your ingredients prepped. So what you want to do with this onion, you want to cut both ends off, cut it in half. And after you cut it in half, you want to cut it into some nice, really thin slices like that. And you can dice it if you want to. It's up to you. Same thing with the tomato. We're going to cut the two ends off, and we're going to slice the tomato as thin or as thick as we want to slice it. All right? And then you're going to cut your American cheese into triangles. And we're ready. All right. So after you cut those ingredients, you prepped, you're going to get this. So I got a plate of salad ready. Now, if you're going to make a big bowl or a big pan, you could do that too. You don't have to have that individual serving like I do. All right, so I got my dressing ready, my meat, my onions, tomatoes cut up, and my American cheese. So that is it. This is going to be a fabulous salad. Here's the quick part before we get to the eating, baby. Layer this salad. So on top of that lettuce, you want to put those onions, all right? Then the tomatoes. Then you're going to put the roast beef, and you're going to put the cheese. You're going to put them in that order. That will make it an authentic beef salad. Put them in that order. I'm just saying. Now watch this. Right after we do that, shh, we can get down to eating. Hold up. It's ready. Alright, this is our beef salad before we touch it, before we do anything with it. And this is it after we stick our fork in it. How about that? Looks good, right? Y'all better go make this. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.